जाती है यार कभी-कभी. Really?
And I go into
leave and all.
I think the question should be how often do you not fight?
No, I'm like, yes, there have been times when pretty much every day, because I like everything she cooks, especially जब मैं low होती हूँ.
Actually वो ना बहुत busy रहती है. हाँ कभी कभी जब माँ की याद आ जाती है तो fight and normally change the topic.
Most of the
मुझे तो cooking ही नहीं आती. I always bake a cake for her on her birthday.
बेटी ਦੇ बिना खान ਦਾ स्वाद ही नहीं आता.
I don't want her to take it easy. No. It always happens that I tell her I'm ready.
the time we are fighting कर लेती है.
Been out so much, my mom's literally like, कभी तो मुंह दिखा दो.
Talk to her at all. I go on mute, totally mute my room, and I just start reading or
We don't take it to the next day.
after we have a alone and eat.
That is the family time we have. That's the bonding time. That's the sharing time. So
With her every single. हमेशा बताती हूँ मैं.
No, just do something else.
And then I end up leaving 2 hours later. I stay alone and I miss her food a lot. So I say sorry.
it was practically all.
I have such a terrible memory. I have to call her back. Otherwise I don't make anything for her. But nowadays I'm watching my weight, so I tell her to take. It's my daily dose of entertainment. Agree तो नहीं करते सब चीज पे, but मेरी गलती होगी.
इसलिए unless she's too late, I wait.
Then meet. It's like my job, to fight.
Sometimes I cook something favorite for her, and that's my way of apology.
I'll be late. Don't wait for me. So when I'm in Pune with her every day,
Hey guys, what's up? It's totally Tubular Man 66. Today I'm coming out with a brand new video. We're gonna be reacting to a person who reacted to Dylan the Dead's video. It was pretty good, man. People wanted me to react to it, so that's what we're gonna do today. Let's get right into the news and the video. Nice.